inside Dubai's most luxurious hotel room. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, we are going to talk about some of the most luxurious hotels of Dubai and how much they charge for a night stay. But before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon too. Now, let's get started. You can peer over the mega city skyline from the 148th floor of the Burj Khalifa, the altitudinous structure on Earth, and explore Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago featuring a water park and dolphin territory. Or you can escape the heat at Ski Dubai Inner Ski Resort or bask in the sun on Dubai's beachfronts. Synonymous with world-class hotels and resorts, this must-visit megacity is also a luxury tourist stream. Hence, my roundup of the 10 stylish luxury hotels in Dubai. Number 1. Atlantis The Palm Dubai. Between its stateless-defying skyscraper and stunning desert geography, Dubai is a glowing megacity blending once a pleasant to thrilling effect and offering things to everyone. You can splurge on a shopping spree at Dubai Mall, the world's second largest shopping mall, encompassing a terrarium, ice rink, and the Dubai Fountain, or bargain for gold in the Gold Souk, a traditional request composed of over 300 gold merchandisers. You can peer over the megacity's skyline from the 148th floor of the Burj Khalifa, the altitudinous structure on Earth, and explore Palm Jumeirah, an artificial archipelago featuring a water park and dolphin niche. Or you can escape the heat at Ski Dubai Inner Ski Resort or lounge in the sun on Dubai's strands. Number 2. Park Hyatt Dubai. Located in Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club on the banks of the majestic Dubai Creek, Park Hyatt Dubai provides an idyllic setting for a luxury flight. This 5-star resort offers 223 luxury apartments, including 34 suites, all of which offer stunning views overlooking the Dubai Creek and Marina. The hostel's award-winning dining venues offer the finest in Western, Thai, and French cookeries with bottom-to-ceiling windows, wood-fired ranges, and theater kitchen. The hotel brings excitement and style to dining, both inner and al fresco. Number 3. Jumeirah Al-Qasr. Al-Qasr means the palace, and this hotel truly is the jewel in the crown of Madinat Jumeirah. Designed in the style of a chic's summer residence, the hostel replicates traditional royal structure coupled with luxurious fustiness throughout. Approach along a tree-lined avenue adorned with beautifully sculpted Arabian horses. The hotel itself will take your breath down. The design of 292 apartments is a homage to the age-old architectural styles of Arabia. As part of the magnificent Madinat Jumeirah, Jumeirah Al-Qasr offers the installations and conditioning of the wider resort, with traditional wooden arba boats transporting guests to more than 40 world-class cafes and bars. Number 4. Four Seasons Dubai at Jumeirah Beach. Bringing fresh, sophisticated style to dynamic Dubai, Four Seasons Resort Dubai at Jumeirah Beach captures the megacity's energy and excitement in a glamorous sand resort, boasting a luxury lobby with bottom-to-ceiling glass windows looking out onto the beautiful auditoriums and Arabian Gulf. The property is an oasis nested in the heart of the exclusive Jumeirah area. With polished marble and custom Murano chandeliers, it exudes luxury and understated fineness. Number 5. Raffles The Palm Dubai. Inspired by palaces of international Europe, Raffles The Palm Dubai, formerly known as the Emerald Palace Kempinski Dubai, is a 5-star luxury sand resort devoted to the finest rudiments of life. Guests are welcome to immerse in an elegantly curated stay, dining and rest guests at these corner destinations on Palm Jumeirah and discover Dubai's iconic palace by the ocean. Each of the commodious apartments and suites is stretched with handcrafted Italian traces and neutralized by precisely named amenities to complete the atmosphere of fineness. Number 6. One and Only The Palm. Sharp and glamorous, One and Only The Palm is an exquisite low-rise exchange oasis located on the lush, landscaped private peninsula of the Palm Island Crescent, blending Moorish and Andalusian architecture with contemporary sharp interior. The property consists of 90 apartments and 4 exclusive beachfront estates. At One and Only The Palm, you can hide down from the everyday and soak up beside shimmering pools and the private white beach sand. Feel the calm of the day in the open courtyard set amidst ponds, cradles, and open yards, and tantalize your palate with an enviable selection of bars and cafes under the culinary guidance of 3 Michelin star cook Yannick Aleno. Number 7. Armani Hotel Dubai. The Armani Hotel Dubai is located within Burj Khalifa, the world's altitudinous tower and part of a mixed-use development confirming of 160 apartments and 144 places. The town hotel is over to the 8th floor and also 38th and 39th floor, and places occupy level 9 to 16 of the Burj Khalifa tower. The property is debonair and understated, with each design detail tete-a-tete chosen by Giorgio Armani himself. Beside guest room doors, understated finest range walls are adorned with handmade leather from Florence, bottoms covered with Japanese tatami, and bathroom sheets in Argentine monuments from Alicante, Spain, all blending seamlessly with the clean, twisted lines of the palace's framework. So, these are some of the most expensive and luxurious hotels of Dubai. Now it's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.